Okay, so I'm waiting for my dad to get out and back, guys. You know what? I need to go pee. So I'm gonna wait here. Dad! I need to go pee!
What?
Pee!
You need to go pee?
Yeah. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to the fireworks. Only if we brung the chair.
Oh. If I brought the chair, my ass is sick.
No, mine.
You want to make that?
Yup. So we run this ball for Scotty to play with. When it doesn't really look like it, it just looks like we're going to the park to play. We look like two fools that don't even know that it's 4th of July. Or at least don't care about 4th of July when we do. We do for both of those. We care and we know. Alright, so we'll see you guys when we're there, or actually just when we're closer. I think I already hear the music. I think it's opera singing. Yeah, I definitely hear the music now.
Pick it up. The worst headache ever.
I don't even know if there's going to be enough room for playing with this ball. I think I might see somebody I know here. Or at least I used to. We can't find them at all.
come and hang with his cousin.
She's still sleeping? Too much beer?
I woke her up, but she was all like she would meet us here.
We're getting down to the end here and close to the fireworks, so we'd really, as an orchestra, be honored to take the opportunity to recognize all the members of the armed forces out there, both current and past. So this next piece, we're going to really cool kind of a montage where what we're going to do
Raiders, really?
is we're going to ask members of the various services to either stand and be recognized if they want, at least wave to the crowd as if you want. If you're really modest, you can just sort of go, aw shucks, and not tell anybody. But if you do that, we want you to make sure that we know that you know that we are really thrilled and grateful for what you've done.
Lightsaber.
So why don't we practice this with the National Guard at this point? Any members of the National Guard out there? Active or retired?
Joey, stand up. I'm going to give you some bug spray.
No, this is a ninja lightsaber.
Stand up. There we go. Thank you.
Close your eyes.
All right, that was a nice practice run. Thanks, guys. Let's get on with this piece here so we can, you'll all recognize your tune as you go, your themes.
Hang on. Why isn't this spraying?